Hi friends, let's see how to remove vocals from a song. You already have a song, and if you really want to create a karaoke, it's a big task, The background musics and the vocals always be mixed together in a song. So it's very difficult to remove the vocals alone. But we can reduce considerably the sounds of vocals, and you can keep the background musics as same. So let me explain that. How can we reduce the vocals and make a karaoke with the help of Audacity? So for that, we need to go to the Audacity website first of all. You can see here I already taken that website. You can see here audacityteams.org. So it will open a web page like this. This is a free and open source software, and it is also available for Windows, Mac and Linux. In this video, I am going to explain how the Audacity is using for Mac, because I saw several videos which is using the Audacity Windows application, because some of the plugins which is available for Windows is not available for Mac versions of Audacity. So let me download this. So if you want to download the Audacity, you can click the download Audacity. So it will take you to this another screen. You can see here it is the Audacity for Windows, Mac and Linux. So we need a Mac version. So you can click here the Audacity. This is the current version 2.3.3, and you can see here the Mac OS 10.15 Catalina is not supported by Audacity 2.3.2 version. So it's a new version 2.3.3. It will support the Catalina. So you can download this version by clicking this link, Audacity 2.3.3.dmg file. Once you click there, it will take you to this website, and you can see here there is different installer packages are here. So we need this one, Mac OS DMG. So you need to click and download this. It will download. So you can see here it is downloading that, because I already downloaded that. So you can see here this application is already here. So double click that. It will open to a window like this. Just simply drag and drop this application to the application folder, because I already installed the Audacity. That's why it is showing that you need to replace that. So I don't want that, because I already installed that. So I'm going to open that application, Audacity, from the application folder. So you go to the applications folder and double click the Audacity. If it is the first time, you can right click and open the Audacity. Okay. Sometimes it will ask for permission, because I already installed that, so it's not showing any permission or anything else. It will open like this, and click OK. And you can see here this is Audacity. Okay. So you can see here this is the application. You will get a plain area here. So what you need to do, just go to the file and import. Click the import audio file. So from the finder, you can select the song. I have downloaded the music from this YouTube channel, No Copyright Sounds. It's a great channel. You can download the musics and songs without copyright issues. So give a credit to No Copyright Sounds channel. So I have already downloaded one song here. So just import that songs to here. So you can see here already imported that audio file. So you can see here two tracks, right track and left track. And so I'm just playing the music. Let's see how can you reduce these vocals from this music. So for that, what you need to do, just click here and go to the effects window. From the effects window, you can see you can take vocal reduction and isolation. So once you take vocal reduction and isolation, and you can hear some, you can preview it. For example, I'm selecting some portions from here to here, so it is easy. So I'm just taking some portion from here to here, and this is just for a checking. So just go to the effects, vocal reduction, I'm going to explain you 2-3 methods how to reduce these vocals. So once you click the vocal reduction and isolations from the effects menu, so you can see here remove vocals to mono or remove vocals. Better to select this remove vocals and you can preview that. See here, most of the sound is already reduced. So what you can do here, this cancel it. So because we are not planning to select only this area, so we want all of the music. So what you need to do is just click here, then go to the effects, vocal reduction and isolation, then you click remove vocals, and the low cut for vocals 120 Hz is more than enough. If you really want to reduce a little bit, it's also possible. According to your wish, you can play around over here to reduce maximum vocals. Okay, for these songs I think this is enough, so I'm just going to click OK. So it will apply that effect. So wait for some time. Yeah, so you can see here there's a drastic changes in the waveforms, and you can see here I'm just going to play. See, you can hear only the background musics. The vocals are considerably reduced. So this is one technique. So this is previous. So before the reduction, this is the music. Now after the reduction, see, vocals are reduced. Very feeble vocal sound it can be here, but background musics are there. Okay, so you can save it and utilize these songs for making the karaoke. I'm going to explain another method. So what you can do here, just click this arrow and you can split stereo to mono. You don't click split stereo track, split stereo to mono. So now that stereo track is separated to 2 mono tracks. So click any one of the track. You can click according to your wish. You can select the upper one or the lower one. Any one is possible. You select it and check that which one is suitable for you. Okay. So you select this one by clicking this area. Okay. Don't click any other places. You click here. Just go to the effect and click invert. Just invert. Okay, so before that I will show you the waveform. So I'm enlarging the waveform. See here, this is the waveform. So you can see here this area is on positive, this is negative, this is negative. You can see here this is same. Now what I'm going to do, just select it over here, effect and invert. So what is going to happen? Everything will be inverted. See here, this one is on top, now this peak is below. So everything is inverted. Okay, so this is good. So now you just listen that portion. See, I'm just going back to that. Just listen. This is also better. In this situation, I feel this is even better than the previous method. There is another method is also be there to reduce the vocals even better. You don't expect the same effect for other songs, you know. Sometimes according to the songs, the effect will vary. Some of the songs I try to do that even after doing all these procedures can hear vocal sounds, you know. So you can utilize any of these methods to reducing the vocals. Okay, so I'm going to explain the third method. It's just like the previous method. Before doing that procedure, what you need to do, just click here and copy, edit, copy, and click here and paste it. So you are copying the same thing over here and make it mute. Then go back to the previous one, select this area just like the previous methods, split stereo to mono. Just click the sound, just go to the effect, invert. So it is inverted. So you can see here it is avoiding. So it's reducing the vocals. But now what you can do that is just unmute it, this one. What you need to do, just select this one directly, then go to effect, then click the low pass filter And here you can actually the factory preset is around 1000, but you can reduce it a lot. For example, I am just giving 100. You can reduce it. I have checked several. I have checked the 12, 24, but 6 dB is always be better, and you reduce it. So you can click OK. So now you can see here the waveform is already changed, but now vocal sound is reduced. So both of these effects together, let's see that how it is. See, now the background music is even better, and the vocal sounds are reduced a lot. So this technique is also can be utilized if the second method is failed. Audacity, it's a free and wonderful software. You can download it, you can use it for Windows, Linux, or even in Mac systems. So this is the way you can use it for Mac operating system. You can save it by click file and export as MP3 or as you wish. You can be export it. After converting that, you can export to MP3 files and you can utilize that music. So try any of these methods to reduce the vocals from a song. Thanks for watching.